Here we're looking at a triangle problem. This is number 35 in 6.7. The base of a triangle is 15 inches greater than the height. If the area is 63 square inches, find the length of the base. These problems with triangles often use the area. Do you know the area of a triangle? If you were saying 1/2 times base times height, you are correct. Or sometimes people say base times height divided by 2. So you do need to have that formula memorized in case you run into this problem. Let's go ahead and answer the question now. So we have this triangle. The base is 15 inches greater than the height. So here's the height, and then the base would be 15 inches more than that. So h plus 15 for the height. So we'll go ahead and fill in the area formula. Area would be 63, and then the 1/2, and the base will be h plus 15, and then the height. So 63 equals 1/2 times the height times the base, which is h plus 15. This will be a nicer problem if you just multiply both sides by 2, and then you don't have to have that fraction in there. So 2 times 63 is 126. 2 times 1/2, the 2 and the 1/2 multiply to 1. We're left with h times h plus 15. So 126 equals h squared plus 15h, or 0 is h squared plus 15h minus 126. When you have these large numbers we're going to be factoring, you'll need to be very methodical in your factoring. You'll know you need a h times h for the h squared, and then with a negative 126, you'll need a positive times a negative to give a negative. So again, be methodical. Negative 1 times 126, that adds to, well, not 15. Negative 2 times 63 doesn't add to 15. Negative 3 times 42 doesn't add to 15. Negative 4, that doesn't go evenly. 5, no. How about 6? Negative 6 times 21, that adds to positive 15. So that's what the choice is. So positive 21, negative 6. Inners then are 21x, outers are negative 6. Well, h is not x. So that adds to 15h. The h plus 21 could be 0, or the h minus 6 could be 0. Here h is negative 21, here h is 6. Well, this is an actual physical height, so we can't have a negative physical height. Height would be 6, and then base is 6 plus 15, or 21. So make sure you have this little formula memorized. Email me if you have questions.